Hi everybody, Joshua FlexTrades here, and I'm joined by Tony Demakis, President of Alliance Specialty and Laser Sales. That's a mouthful, so I've been working on it. But you're gonna tell us a little bit about your company. They're based right out of the Illinois area where we're joining you today at PTXPO 2023. Tell us a bit about Alliance, and then we'll take a look around the booth.
Yeah, so Alliance is mold makers that don't build molds. And it sounds really, really stupid when you say it that way, but it's the way that our business was set up, right? And so what we want to do is all the things that mold makers don't have time to do. The polishing, laser welding, laser engraving, hot runner repair, preventative maintenance, mold refurbs. So really all the things that mold makers don't have the time to do. Mold makers want to build molds. That's their job. That's your job, right? What we want to do is help you to achieve those goals.
So when you're saying specialties, you don't just mean a couple, you mean like all of the specialties that go into that mold making process.
Correct. And on top of that, you know, that's the mold side. We also have a production welding department because we want to start to diversify and help other companies as we can, right?
Absolutely.
Part of our core values, our mission is to make a difference, right? That's our goal overall. And so the way we do that is through our core values, which for Alliance is great. Gratitude, relationships, integrity, and tenacity. That's what we're all about. Made in America means something to us, right? We're not a company that's gonna say, we are a made in America company. We bring everything in from China or Germany or whatever, and we assemble it here. It's made, right? So we have a facility in Prairie Grove, Illinois. It's our laser development center. That's where all this equipment is made. We have engineers there. We write all our own software there. The whole user interface, everything about the machine is done here in the US.
I've heard a lot over the last 6-7 years about making America great.
Yep.
I've been all over the world. America's great, but we can make it better. And the way we make it better here is the way we make it better anywhere, by making better things, right? And you have some really cool things to make better things. Can you show us a few of them?
Absolutely. So where do you want to start? We got a lot of stuff going on.
I'd show it to us, show all of it to us.
Sure, so this is one of our newest products that we're in development of. It's an ID1 UR. ID1 stands for Intelligent Design. So we don't want to make a mistake and say we've evolved the company, right? Evolution to me is a mistake. It's an accident. There's no thought behind it. It just kind of happens. Everything we do has a purpose and a plan. It's intelligently designed, as we are as people. You know, we believe in a creator. It's made correctly, right? That's the way we see it. So this is a product that was born out of seeing an opportunity, the way a UR robot functions, and how can you take that and do something better with it. So the platform is all in-housed in the robot itself. Of course. So now what you can do is you can shut the robot off, the functionality of the robot, the programmability, and you can use a joystick to do repair work on your molds in a very controlled way. It takes up very little floor space, which is awesome. And then if you need to, you can actually do production welding with the same machine, or you can start with production welding, and then if you have a couple of hiccups or mistakes, you go in and you do the manual welding and you fix it. It's a simple process. We are actually working really, really hard with UR to develop a system so that it's all integrated in one tablet. And this is still the beta model, but it is developing and it's taking off really fast, and we're excited about it.
Well, and I love this for a couple of reasons. One, it's not just compact, it's portable because it's compact. So you can bring this where you need it in the shop. But two, anybody that's followed anything we've put out in the last few years, I've been pushing a lot on this next generation. Everybody's hearing all they want to do is play with video games. And that means they can't work in manufacturing. But funny, what do we have here on this? We have a tablet. We have joysticks and controls. They're literally training to be manufacturers today, sitting at home on their couch playing video games. So those of you that don't see yourselves in manufacturing, I guarantee you're watching this on a tablet right now. Start seeing yourself, because the home is here for you today. What else should we be seeing, Tony?
Yeah, so the machine behind us is a smaller platform machine. It's an ID1 fixed workstation. It's for a company that they don't have a lot of floor space and they want to have a laser welding option. So this machine was literally born out of a customer saying, we need a machine, you've been to our facility, you've seen our floor space, help us, right? And so what we did is we said, okay, sounds like a good opportunity. How big is your floor space? This machine was custom made for that customer. And we said, now there's a market, right? Find a need, fill a need. It's from the cartoon robots that came out years ago. Find a need, fill a need. There was a need for a machine, so we built a machine. And now it has taken off and it's been great.
Really your entire company, but this model in particularly is a great example of how any manufacturers watching this right now, any company owners watching this right now, can be applying that same thing differently, right? You're struggling to hire a traditional welder, you're struggling to break into laser welding because of the large format machines that are out there. Think differently. Find something that fits your floor and that fits the workforce you have available, and then put them to work, and start making things. So the super cool company, super cool components and products that you're making out of this that are making super cool things out there in America already today. So thank you very much for the tour. We learned a lot. Appreciate you and your time. And anything else you want to say to our network before we sign off?
You know, what I would say is, making stuff matters, right? In a world where you don't know where your pens come from, you don't know where your bottles come from, you don't know where your caps come from, you can be a part of a difference in the world, right? Like, to your point, make a difference. Every time you go to the doctor, all those parts are made out of plastic. And a lot of them are made here by people that are just working hard. And so if America is going to continue to succeed, we need more people like you who are watching this to get up and get involved and be part of that change. Whether you already have a job in manufacturing or you're thinking about it, tell your story. I sign off all the time this way. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for listening. Take care, and God bless.